wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best office chair cushions. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The popular Zaraki ProtectSoothe provides a winning combination of quality and comfort. It features a graduated edge that helps position the hips for better alignment and posture, and the curved front reduces pressure on your thighs. It straps securely to your seat and comes with a convenient carrying handle. However, it tends to compress over time. At number 9, if you have aches when you sit due to sacral joint pain, pregnancy, or tailbone injuries, the sleekly designed Xtreme Comforts Orthopedic is a great pick. It strikes a nice balance between firmness and plushness to give you some much-needed relief. The zipper won't scratch furniture, and the mesh cover is removable for washing, but it can slide around a bit. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Cylen Home will quickly become your best friend whenever you need a relaxing place to sit. It's made with high-performance memory foam that relieves pressure and is infused with charcoal to absorb odors and help dissipate heat. It stays cool reliably and is backed by a 5-year warranty. However, it is too firm for some people. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for office chair cushions, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, designed with a U-shaped cutout at the rear, the premium comfilife Orthopedic helps to relieve most back pain by reducing pressure on the coccyx. It's durable, lightweight, and has a convenient built-in handle for easy portability. It feels high quality and is good for wheelchairs. It's made in the United States. Moving up our list to number 6. Incorporating high-density foam, the Sleep Restoration Comfy Cure is available at a wallet-friendly price. It comes in handy for long car rides, flights, and sporting events, and its non-slip bottom keeps it secure on most surfaces. It's great for back pain during pregnancy and fits well on most types of chair. It doesn't flatten out over time either. Halfway up our list at number 5. Offering both quality and a good value, the UR set includes a plush memory foam lumbar pillow and a seat cushion layered with cooling gel for a soothing effect. It also comes with a rainproof cover so you can take it to outdoor sporting events. The seat is slip resistant and it can ease discomfort from hemorrhoids. This one's suitable for gamers as well. At number 4, if your lower back is causing you the most issues, then the LoveHome 3D can put some pep back in your step. With its double straps and extensions, it can easily wrap around the biggest of car seats, office chairs, and more, so you can use it anywhere. It's available in 8 colors and made with antibacterial materials that provide good temperature control. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Perfect for those looking for support and firmness, the Veve Max features 45 resilient gel cushion cells that distribute weight evenly and will not flatten out over time. It fits neatly on most seats, making it great for wheelchairs and planes. It can bear up to 300 pounds and keeps you cool and dry. It comes with a 60-day guarantee. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for office chair cushions, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the center channel on the modvel MV102 makes it a good option for users with a sensitive coccyx due to injury or simply sitting for prolonged periods. It provides a good balance of relief and support and comes with a removable machine-washable cover. It features thick, high-density foam and gel bumps that provide a massaging effect. It's good for long-distance drivers. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Purple simply boasts a hyper-elastic polymer construction that's built to last and that will maintain its shape for the long haul. The lattice-style design allows air to flow through it freely so it doesn't get too hot. It accommodates various body types and is offered in several shapes and sizes. It reduces pressure on the hips. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for office chair cushions, or simply click beneath this video.